Let's add awesome icons to our website. If you know the name of your icon, enter it here. If you don't know the name, just click this button, search for icons. And this will open up Font Awesome icons, and you can browse all the available icons. Currently, there are 1,409 free awesome icons. So you can browse to find the one you want, or click on categories, or if you want to enter some search terms, we can do that. I want to use this icon. Now notice some of the names are obvious, like car, but some of them are compound names. So the best thing to do is just select this text and copy it, and then we'll click Done. We'll go back to our web page, and I'm going to enter the name of the icon right here, car. And in most cases, you'll see the icon appear here, but sometimes you're going to see a square, which is not the icon that we wanted. And the reason is that Font Awesome icons, some of them have different styles, and by default we're using the regular style, and we need, in this case, we need to use the solid style. So I'll check the solid style, and there I see my icon. You can change the color and the size. Let's go ahead and change the color. I'll leave the size alone. You can change alignment, and you can also link this to a page on your website or a page somewhere on the internet. And the way that you'll do that is, let's say we want to link it to a page on your website. You'll go to your website and you'll go to the part that ends after your domain. So whether it's .com, .pro, .org, or whatever, select everything that's after that, and we'll copy that. And this is how you drop it in here to the link field, and that's how you'll link to a page on your website. Of course, if you were going to a page on the internet, you would select the entire URL, and we would drop that in there. So now we have an icon and a link, and that looks nice. But let's say we want to do an icon like this, where we actually have two icons. One, the car is stacked on top of the circle. Let's go ahead and replicate that. We could use a circle or a square, but we'll use a circle. So I want the bottom icon to be the circle, so I'm just going to type circle, because I happen to know that's the name of that icon. And let's make this a bit larger, 100 pixels. And then let's go down here and add our second icon, which is car. And once again, it's showing me a square, so that's because I need to use the solid style. And with the second icon, of course, we can change the color as well. I'll leave it as is. And one other little feature is you can spin the icon, which is kind of a nice little effect. And that's all you need to know to use awesome icons on your website.